Hi viewers, my name is Abhinambika Ravivarman and I teach sustainable living for children. And today we're going to talk about brain nutrition, their diet and supplements. So as parents, what will we want? We obviously want our children to be very healthy. So we try to give them as much as possible nutrient wise. So we try to give them supplements. We try to give them things which we feel okay. They have said there is multivitamin, there are gummies with multivitamins, and there are so many other things. But when you look at it, there do have a lot of preservatives. So anything which is packaged, anything which is processed definitely has a lot of preservatives in them, and those preservatives will really not give you the full benefit of eating a fruit or a vegetable directly as source. So what do we do for our children? And a lot of mothers we have seen try to give them a lot of quantity, and the quantity really doesn't matter, because while it is that you need to give sufficient quantity for your child, but the quality of food, what do you choose? And especially for brain, what are the kind of food that we need to give? Antioxidants, which is a very very basic thing, because what does a brain do? The brain takes in a lot of oxygen, and there are chances that it can cause oxidative damage. And what happens is we need to give a lot of food which are antioxidants, which try to balance this. Food like carrots, food like broccoli, which are very good in antioxidants. They also give a lot of boost to the brain. Citrus fruits like your amla, one of the it's even said that it's the gift from God or a blessing from God, because amla is treated in that way, because amla has a lot of vitamins and lot of nutrients. And even if the child has one small portion of amla every day, it takes care of a lot of nutrients that the child needs. So omega fatty acid, again another antioxidant which is very important for your child. So do check out vegetables which has all this. When you take vitamins, vitamin B, very important, vitamin B6 and vitamin B12. Chickpeas is something which is a very good protein. It has a lot of vitamin B in it. So please do share recipes with your child which they love. Try to create something interesting for them. Try to give them as much as nutrient filled food, and try to avoid a lot of processed food for them. Very very important point what we also want to add here is vitamin D, because today's children, what happens, they are all the time in AC, or they are in a environment where they are not really exposed to sun. So vitamin D based food is another important point that we need to add in their diet. And they are all the time in AC, as in the at home, in school, or in the car in which they go, or in the bus in which they go, completely in an environment where they are not exposed even to a little bit of sun. And vitamin D is a good source which are directly received from the sun. If we just do a small bit of cycling or something early in the morning, say between 6:30, around that time, the child, whatever the child needs, the vitamin D quotient of that gets absorbed naturally from the sun. So another important point is choline. So choline is a water soluble nutrient, and it's very very good for the brain. So look for vegetables which has choline. It's there in milk, it's there in yogurt. So these are things that you need to add to your child's diet every day, and make sure that the child has a lot of brain nutrients, as we call it, that are sufficient enough in a child's body. So please do watch and all my other videos. There are a lot of videos that I have created on various topics with respect to child development. Do subscribe to our channel, and till then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.